Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make canned marinara sauce better. Start by sautéing minced garlic and diced onion in olive oil before adding your canned sauce. This builds a foundational flavor. Next, stir in a small amount of sugar, perhaps 1/4 of a teaspoon, to cut through any harsh acidity. Finally, incorporate fresh basil or oregano during the last few minutes of cooking for a vibrant finish. To elevate richness, consider deglazing your pan with a splash of red wine, about 1/4 of a cup, before adding the sauce. This adds a wonderful depth. Stir in a tablespoon of tomato paste and cook it for a minute to intensify the tomato flavor. For an incredible umami boost, simmer a Parmesan cheese rind in the sauce for at least 20 minutes, then remove it before serving. Vary the texture by adding sautéed vegetables such as bell peppers or mushrooms. For those who enjoy a little kick, a pinch of red pepper flakes, about 1/8 of a teaspoon, can add a delightful warmth. If you prefer a creamier sauce, stir in a tablespoon or two of heavy cream or mascarpone cheese at the very end. This creates a luxurious, velvety consistency. For a more substantial meal, brown some Italian sausage or meatballs and simmer them directly in the marinara sauce. This infuses the sauce with their savory flavors. Just before serving, drizzle a teaspoon of high-quality extra virgin olive oil over the top for a bright, fresh note. Finally, a generous sprinkle of freshly grated Parmesan cheese is the ideal finishing touch for any improved marinara.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.